Good morning, YouTube. Actually, check that. Good afternoon, YouTube. I sent CB2 and Angelo home for the day. Easy day today. But now I'm swinging back through because it's give back day. Giving back to the community. Mom needs a new toilet seat and I'm delivering it, and guess who's putting it in? And if you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the two plumbing apprentices, the trade. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Join this journey, and we'll see you inside on the job. Plumber's here. Alright, so the toilet seat's been here a couple days, but I wanted to film it, so this is why the guys did not put it in. Put toilet seat on. Love, Mom.
Where's your driver's side unlocked?
Driver's side's unlocked. Today we complete the mission of toilet seat installation by Apprentice Angelo Barron. Hurt. What are you keeping the lights on for here? Come on, man. Waste of energy, son. Let's go. Let's get this shot. Let's do this, man. This guy loves laying down next to the toilet. You want the light?
No.
Lefty Lucy. That's right, you're going the wrong way. Good job. This is for Mom. We have a broken toilet seat that she's been waiting to... Oh, it's really broken. Alright.
Well, I just isn't it?
Oh, okay. Who's the best helper? Oh, yeah. There you go. Lefty Lucy.
Okay. I was probably right. That's fine.
Yeah. Lefty Lucy. Oh. It's so hot out.
We'll go for a run.
No. Alright, let's see what we do. Cool. Let's get something clean out. Alright. Okay. You put that together. I'll get some spray. Hold on. You should work on that. You should. You love sitting down. Yeah, keep sitting. It's gonna be good. You keep sitting. You're gonna get roasted for that. Little paper towel clean up?
Yeah, I was gonna use toilet paper, but.
Look here. El Cheapo. Okay? Boom. Other one. Boom. You're gonna need a screwdriver.
And it goes up like that, right?
Where's the plastic inserts at?
I don't know, you were my helper in there.
How's your helper? Number one helper here. Did I lose him already? Yeah, sure.
The other ones, I don't know where they went.
Same thing. They prevent the toilet from sliding. So look, now put it in the holes upside down. There you go. Can I give you a quick lesson?
Yeah.
Sit up top, right? Just get the feel for the toilet seat.
Okay.
Get the nut, look. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. Alright? Pull it with your hand. You'll be fine. Cause you know what I mean? You want that thing sliding around.
You go like this?
Yes. Up, oval, and up. And the lever hits against the china, right? Open that lid up, use your screwdriver to tighten it down. You'll be cooking with fire then.
His hand twist all the way up.
You should be able to. It should be lever, should be hitting. Use your screwdriver. Screwdriver. You have it in your hand? That's why I said don't sit on it.
You told me to sit on it.
No, I said don't sit on it.
Oh, you told me to.
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
No, because it's going to slide all over the place. Pop this lid. Pop the cap. It comes right up. Now hold that with your hand. There you go. Make them both snug. That's why you shouldn't sit on it, because it slides over like you're on ice. Pop your cap. You put it in your pocket. That's a good one.
No, I'm good.
Yeah.
That's heavy.
Oh, it's right here. Just like so. Boom. Now, what's the worst thing when you have a loose toilet seat? I mean, yeah, slide all over the place, dude.
That's what this one is.
That's why you want to make it super tight, alright? Now you make it out.
Yeah.
Do you see how the lever gets
Yeah.
stops against China and you really crank down on it? Okay? Good? Nice and tight? Alright. Don't strip it. There you go. Is your mother gonna be happy?
Probably not.
What did we do? We put the empty box there like we didn't do the job. This is what we do to moms. We torture them. That's the empty box. The new toilet seat's on. We're going to see how long it takes for her to figure it out. This guy is a legend. How's your vacation day going, CB2?
Oh, beautiful.
Until I showed up, right? Oh, Lord. You believe this?